Welcome to SteriLink, the online supply chain visibility tool from STERIS Applied Sterilization Technologies. SteriLink is an online interactive service that provides complete real-time visibility into STERIS processing facilities. SteriLink is designed to shorten time between manufacturing and distribution by allowing you to monitor the status of your inventory 24/7 on demand, access current and past load information, receive alerts through automated email notifications, review and retrieve historical processing documents, view performance metrics and generate reports such as on-time delivery. In short, you gain complete real-time visibility into our facilities so you can make critical supply chain decisions faster. Documents accessible through SteriLink include receiving report, shipping document, bill of lading report, count discrepancy report, damage report, and more. Customers can also receive automatic email notifications as product moves through the process. Email alerts include product was received alert, product was shipped alert, product damage alert, inventory count discrepancy alert, and more. To register, visit sterilink.com and click Sign Up Now.